Welcome to MoneyMint channel, friends. Good evening. Today I would like to discuss about two stocks which have potential to become multi-baggers. Before that, I would like to discuss about few things. I am updating Excel sheet which I am updating from 17th November onwards. You can see the stocks performance here. These all are for most of the stocks for long term and few are for short term. You can observe here, and out of this, one stock which is performing very goodly is Poonawalla Fincorp. I have updated on 30th December. I have updated at 221 rupees. Right now trading at 262. This stock is performing very well, and L&T Technology Services is also performing very well. And today I would like to discuss two stocks. As I said, one stock is Rupa and Company. Today this stock made almost 8% off. This stock looking very good for long term. I am expecting it will be in multi-bagger in coming years. If we look at chart, look at this chart. This stock continuously making upward bias. If just look at this stock trading above trend line, and here it made some long consolidation, and this stock broken trend line. Look at this stock attempted few days back one time and unable to close above the trend line, but today it made closed above the trend line. I am expecting textile sector will benefit this year. In that branded segment, Rupa and Company is a very good company. This stock will give decent returns. I am expecting multi-bag returns in this stock. Still, this stock available at attractive valuations of 19-20 PE, and ROC and ROE is very good, which is 30 and ROE of 26%. And in this stock, FI is also holding almost 3%. This stock right now available at very attractive price. And another stock is Dollar Industries. Dollar Industries today it went almost 17% up. This is also in branded segment, textile segment. I think you have seen so many times Akshay Kumar giving advertisement in Dollar Industries. If you observe chart, this stock also broken strongly today the trend line. Look at this. These two stocks will be, I am expecting multi-baggers in future. For 2022 also we can buy these stocks. Just look at fundamentals. This stock also available at decent valuations of 25 PE and market cap of 2,800 crore. ROC and ROE also it's very decent. Sales growth also it's very good of 33.7%. I am expecting these two stocks will become multi-baggers, and I would like to tell you of another stock. This stock is trading at very attractive levels. The stock name is Mahanagar Gas Limited. This stock trading at right now 10 PE, which is very attractive. Normally, when a company is having ROC and ROE of more than 20% is very good. This stock also having good fundamentals, EPS of 85 almost, and very good foreigners holding. Almost 30% FIs are holding in this stock. Look at chart. This stock is right now trading at near support levels. I am expecting this stock, it will test again these levels, not immediately, it may took 6 months to 1 year. I am telling this stock for long term opportunity, this is not short term opportunity. One can accumulate stocks between as a first price point of 890 rupees, and you can keep accumulate till 800 rupees. Between these 100 rupees you can accumulate this stock for long term. This stock also we can expect 30 to 40% return in 1 year time of period. This is one thing. This is Mahanagar Gas Limited, and there is another update from Poonawalla Fincorp. I have recommended this stock, I have updated this stock on 30th December at 223. Right now stock trading at 262, almost more than 10% up. Hold this stock for best return. This is also one of the multi-bagger, potential to become multi-bagger. And there is an update for another stock, which is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. I am expecting this stock till 1400 to 1450 in coming months, because budget is there in February month, first week. I think roughly 1 month time is there for this stock. I am expecting this stock consolidation dating right now at between 1200 to 1260, 1270. If the trend line broke, it will retest to 1400 to 1450 again in 1 to 1.5 month. I am expecting before budget it may retest. This you can take it as a trading opportunity. This I am not looking this as a long term investment. These all are the updates for today. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you like my content, please click like, and please comment if you have any doubts. Thanks for supporting Money Mint channel. All my views are for educational and my personal views only. I am not SEBI registered. Thanks for watching.